In this video I'd like to do a quick unboxing of the ANNKE 8CH. This is a NVR from ANNKE. Now there are various versions. They come in 4s, 8s and 16s. Now I've unpacked it from the box. It's a bit too big to do with on camera, but inside of the box you'll have the manual plus the software over there. You'll have an accessories box which includes the power supply, appropriate kettle cord. It's got the two hard drive power adapters there, and it comes with two SATA cables, so you can put two hard drives in this device. It's got a network cable, it's got a mouse, and it's got a set of wings for mounting into a 19-inch rack. Just very briefly, I'd like to look at the back here. Here we go. So we've got our audio in and our audio out. We have a VGA as well as an HDMI outputs here. We have a USB 3 port there as well as a network, and we have our standard power supply adapter that comes with it. The Hikvision power supplies are also compatible with this as well. And like I've said, the NVRs come in different sizes. There's a 4-channel, an 8-channel and a 16-channel. If you guys have got any questions or comments, please feel free to make them below or get in touch with us. We'll do our best to help you.